Hello St. Andrews School students, good morning to you all. Here is your GK teacher. I hope you all are staying home and staying safe and spending quality time with your family members. So today I am going to teach you exercise number 7, that is birds of prey. Prey means shikar. So before we start the exercise number 7, we discuss what is birds of prey. A bird that kills and eats other animals and birds are called birds of prey. Now I am reading. Birds that hunt other animals are called birds of prey. Raptor is another term used for these birds. Match the given birds of prey with their descriptions and by writing the correct letters in the boxes. You have to write the correct letter in the appropriate box, and here from A to E the description related to the birds of prey is given. So I am reading the first description. It has dark brown upper parts and cream underparts. It has strong claws. Answer is osprey. So write A in front of two number, in front of second number, in front of osprey we can say. Write A. Now the next description is its body is brown with white head and tail. While flying, it rarely flaps its wings. Answer is bald eagle. Write B in front of bald eagle, or we can say in front of number 1. Write B. Third description is it is about the size of a crow. It is a very fast flyer. It can dive at a very high speed, and the answer is falcon. So write C in front of falcon or in front of number 4. Last description, next description is it is the Africa's largest eagle and has spotted undersides. Answer is Marshall eagle. So write D in front of Marshall eagle and in front of 5 number. Last description is it has bare head and bare neck with beak claws. It is heavy and large in size, and the answer is vulture. So write E in front of vulture. One very amazing philo fact is given here. I am reading. Bald eagle is the national bird and national emblem of United States. The female eagle is called a falcon and the male eagle is called a farkle. So here we have completed our exercise number 7. Now come to exercise number 8, that is the environmentalists. So the first question that is striking in your mind is who are environmentalists? A person who wants to protect the environment are called environmentalist, or we can say that a person who is expert on environmental problems. Now I am reading the heading. People who are concerned about protecting the environmental are called environmentalists. These people are great environment lovers. They work devotedly towards improving the environment. Identify them and write their name with the help of the clue box. So the first question is, he is the crusader of the Chipko movement. And the answer is Sundar Lal Bahuguna. Next question, he is a lawyer whose efforts led to the closure of many polluting industrial units around the Taj Mahal in Agra. Answer is MC Mehta. Third question, she sacrificed her life to protect the Khejri trees. Answer is Amrita Devi. Question number 4. He supported the agitation against various projects like the Sardar Sarovar Dam, Tihri Dam, etc., which threatened to harm the environment, and the answer is Kisan Mehta. Question number 5. She is the Director General of Center for Science and Environment and a major proponent of green concept of sustainable development, and the answer is Sunita Narayan. Question number 6. He was the founder of the NGO Kaziranga Wildlife Society, and the correct answer is Robin Banerjee. Question number 7. She is the leader of the Narmada Bachao Andolan, and the answer is Medha Patkar. Last question. He is a water conservationist from Alwar district of Rajasthan, and the answer is Rajendra Singh. One philo fact is also given here. I am reading. Salim Ali was a great ornithologist. He studied birds and worked towards their protection. His autobiography is named The Fall of a Sparrow. So here we have completed our exercise number 8. Now come to exercise number 9. That is fungi and mushrooms. All mushrooms are fungi, but not all fungi are mushrooms. Fungi are neither plants nor animals. Mushrooms are fruiting bodies produced by some fungi. Read these facts and tick the right answer, right option. First one is, most fungi build their cell walls out of chitin. The correct option is chitin. Second, fungi are placed in their own. The correct option is their own kingdom. You have to take the their own option. Third, put a tick in front of edible. Edible mushrooms are used in cooking. Question number 4. Mushrooms are commercially grown in mushroom farms. The correct option is farms. Question number 5. Button. Button is the right option. So you have to tick the button. Button mushroom is one of the most cultivated mushrooms in the world. Now the second part is also given here. Here are some poisonous mushrooms that may have adverse effect on the human body. Write their names with the help of the clue box. In this portion, all the poisonous mushroom information is given. Here we have to write the correct answers with the help of the clue box. First one is, this mushroom causes diarrhea, and the answer is smooth earth ball. Second question, it can cause body cell damage which may prove fatal. Answer is death cap. Question number 3, it affects the sense organs. Answer is liberty cap. Question number 4, it causes upset stomach and may damage the liver. Answer is livid antoloma. Last, question number 5, this infamous mushroom causes severe poisoning. Answer is fly agaric. So here we have completed one file of fact is also given here. You can read this. And now we have completed our first unit and exercise number 9. Do this work in a very neat and clean handwriting and then send the pic in the class group so that I can evaluate your work. Thank you.